Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two fantastic products that will revolutionize your cooking experience. On the left side, we have the Instant Pot Vortex Plus, and on the right side, we have the Silicone Air Fryer Basket Liners. Let's dive into the comparison and see which one comes out on top. Both products offer multiple functions that will enhance your cooking abilities. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus provides 6-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. On the other hand, the Silicone Air Fryer Basket Liners are specifically designed to keep your air fryer clean and free from food residue. It acts as a barrier between your food and the fryer, ensuring a mess-free cooking experience. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus utilizes Even Crisp technology, which drives airflow from top to bottom, resulting in a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. The Silicone Air Fryer Basket Liners, on the other hand, use premium, food-grade silicone to provide heat resistance up to 450 degrees F, 230 degrees C, ensuring safe and efficient air frying, steaming, and oven baking. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus offers one-touch smart programs, making it easy to customize cooking settings for various dishes such as wings, roasted veggies, potatoes, cookies, and more. It also features fast preheating, allowing you to turn frozen ingredients into golden delights within minutes. As for the Silicone Air Fryer Basket Liners, they are dishwasher safe, eliminating the hassle of hand washing. Simply put, both products prioritize convenience in their own way. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus boasts a compact design with sleek stainless steel accents, providing both functionality and style. It seamlessly blends into any countertop setting. On the other hand, the Silicone Air Fryer Basket Liners are specifically designed with handles on both sides, allowing for easy lifting and handling. It is a unique accessory that enhances your air fryer experience. When it comes to safety, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus comes with built-in safety features such as overheat protection and auto-off. These features ensure peace of mind during your cooking sessions. On the other hand, the Silicone Air Fryer Basket Liners focus on keeping your air fryer clean, ultimately reducing the risk of accidents caused by food residue. Both products prioritize your safety in different ways. And that concludes our comparison between the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the Silicone Air Fryer Basket Liners. Both products have their unique features and advantages. If you are looking for versatility and the ability to cook various dishes effortlessly, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus is an excellent choice. On the other hand, if maintaining cleanliness and prolonging the life of your air fryer is your priority, the Silicone Air Fryer Basket Liners are a must-have accessory. Don't forget to like this video. Comment down below which product you prefer and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!